In this video, we'll walk through how to use Magoosh's guided writing tool to take your admissions essays from blank page to polished draft over a limited number of simple steps. To move between steps, use the next and previous buttons at the bottom of the screen. The most important component of each step is the video. Each video teaches key concepts to help you succeed in the current step of the guided writing experience. Some steps have other components as well. This step has example essays with commentary. These build on what you learned in the video to help you understand what makes each essay strong versus what could be improved. Many steps have a writing component. Once again, start by watching the video. It will tell you how and when to use the text boxes to fill in your prompt, to brainstorm, outline, or draft and revise your essay. If you're done with the video and want to zoom in on your writing, click the right button in the top right corner to increase the size of the text boxes. And if you want to go back to the video or move on to the next step, just click back. You likely won't finish your essay in one sitting, and that's fine. Everything you write in the text boxes is saved in your Magoosh account, so you can access it at any time from any step in the process. Similarly, you can skip back or forward to any step in the process using the links in the sidebar, as well as check your progress using the progress bar up top. When you've completed your essay, you have a couple options. If you want to start an all-new essay, you can use the New Draft button to start from scratch. However, if you're adapting your existing essay to use at another school, you can use the clone feature to create a copy with everything you've already written that you can revise. In either case, don't worry about rewatching all of the videos. You can always use the key takeaways as a quick reminder before moving on to the writing steps. Finally, if you're ready to take your essay draft to the next level, you can download your essay to share with mentors or peers for feedback.